In this video, let's find how to divide the number 74 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 7. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 2. Now again see that this 2 is less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this number 4 here. And we know that 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Subtract, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 5, but we have no number to bring down here. In this case, that is why we need to borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 8 is equal to 40. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0 and we have no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, 74 divided by 5 is equal to 14.8, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.